Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This one, we're talking about the allocation of financial resources across the NHS. Very useful documents and very useful data. So let's dive straight in. We've got data going back to 2015, 465,000 rows, so a fair amount of detail. These CCG ones, you can see they discontinued, and now it's all about ICBs. I'm just querying these ones for this video. So component need indices, get the idea of the data if you have a look at that, and you can see the metrics there. So I expect you to just pause the video if you want to read these things. Then we've got expenditure weights. That's just a few rows of data, but quite important. ICB weighted population. There you can see the data there, the metric values, and then you've got the different metrics. Primary medical care need index, that's this data here, and there's the metrics. And finally, weighted registrations by GP practice. There's some of the data there, and these are the different titles. So sometimes we have to just use the whole title for getting data out because the sort of free nature to how they populate those values. And there's the metrics. I'll just page down, so if you pause to see that, and then there's a second page, and that's the third page. Thanks very much.